Hi guys, I'm now in Juru. Alright, so where I am now is the iRoll Auto. Okay, this is a Volvo dealership here, based here in Juru Auto City. And our agenda here today is we are conducting another one of our safety workshops with our Evo Club members as well as customers of iRoll Auto. So here we have, this is our turnout. Morning Beng.
Morning.
Morning John. Morning. Start already.
Starting. Okay, hi, good morning guys. Firstly, thank you everyone for coming to iRoll today.
Our road safety workshop always start with the first exercise, which is to check your seating position. Get onto the driver's seat, adjust yourself to the correct seating position.
Yeah, at the right angle.
You spare yourself from the danger of a compression injury. Involves stopping distance. Okay, now what do you think are the factors that influence stopping distance? You drive at a speed where you know if an obstacle suddenly appears, you know when to stop. Wherever you're sitting in the car, front or back, please make sure to wear your seatbelt. Very, very important. The car has speed sensors on each wheel, so it measures the speed of every individual wheel. And when it detects that one wheel is spinning too fast, the system will judge that that wheel is slipping and will gently apply, specifically brake that particular wheel, plus maybe retard a bit of your engine output to help you stabilize the car.
Con is briefing them. They are getting ready for the emergency braking test.
So my car had ESC, but there was still good speed. Why? Because the ESC had its limitations. The tires was not gripping the road. The car is only able to avoid an accident up to a certain speed. Beyond certain speeds, it's no longer about accident avoidance, but mitigation. Minimize the damage.
Here to assist you, not to take over the driving for you.
Yeah. And after this, we will call for volunteers. Whoever wants to come ride with us for a quick demonstration, braking demonstration. Okay? It's safe. Don't worry, it's safe. Yeah, I promise you all will come back here in one piece.
Now I'm going to take them. I'm going to slam the brakes and see whether they die or not.
So we are going on a demo to demonstrate what are the effects of not wearing a seat belt even when you jam brake. You want to come in and see or not?
Got slot.
For you sure got one.
Oh.
Come. Okay. Right, so right now I'm rolling along 6 kilometers per hour. Just put a bit of gas. Everybody seatbelt off. Now we are doing, guess how fast we are doing?
30?
12.
Oh! Wow. Just not 12.
12. Oh. You want to try 20?
No.
No.
12.
Yes. So what can happen is that suddenly, like I said, now even we are driving in this kind of road, okay? No cars not moving at all, but suddenly a kid just run across. So and you don't know. The driver step on the brake, tak sempat to warn you. Okay, so please wear back your seatbelt.
Yo, how's the feeling?
Wow, okay. Well, it's hard in mouth. You can feel your heart usually go up to your mouth.
There's a bit in a roller coaster, but yes.
But it was nice. At least you
it
came back alive, we can walk.
It was very fun.
It's really fun.
Didn't expect that, right?
Seatbelt, so you see the difference.
Oh, okay.
So now I would like to kindly ask everyone to take out your seatbelt.
Okay.
Okay, and the good thing about Volvo is I can see who is wearing seatbelt and who isn't wearing seatbelt here.
Okay.
Let's go about 10 kilometers per hour, and then I'm just going to emergency brake. I'm going to let you guys know so y'all don't feel like a sudden brake lah.
Con didn't mention it.
Oh yeah. So now I'm going at 20.
Yeah, hey guys, so what do you think about today's event?
Oh, it was really fun. And it was very informative. Con and Bing were explaining to us all the safety features of the Volvos as well as what we can do to protect ourselves in case of an emergency. It was really informative. I really enjoyed it. Especially the demo at the end. I almost died, but thank God I didn't.
For me, that was the most fun part lah. Like the braking force at 40, I cannot. Yeah,
Seatbelt save lives. Always wear your seatbelt.
unless you're lazy lah.
Okay. So what do you think about today's activity?
So today's activity is quite meaningful. I mean, like it educates people about safety and also like on the importance of the seatbelt. So just now I went through the seatbelt test on the heavy braking, and I really realized that it's really important, especially like for the rear passengers to wear their seatbelts. So yeah, this is quite an important message I think to bring towards the public on this awareness.
I see. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
How many of you here are Evo Club, already signed as Evo Club member?
I think so.
You think so? Are you sure?
What's your email? I can check now.
Okay guys, so we've got a little special present for one lucky winner. But not today, right? Not today. Oh, not today. Hey Vic, we are really giving this away.
Provided that they upload a photo of any Volvo cars onto their Evo Club.
I thought I want to bring this back to play with my daughter, you know.
You got Volvo to upload ah?
You win now lor.
You can take pictures now lah.
Okay guys, so yeah, this little I think those of you guys with kids will especially appreciate this. But to be honest, even if I don't have a kid also, I would appreciate this. I mean, it's damn cool, right? Can you imagine putting your kid into this? Okay, really, I can't make this back and play with my daughter.
So yeah guys, remember, upload your photos of any Volvo cars or yourself with the Volvo cars onto Evo Club, and from there, stand a chance to win this.
Does it have ABS?
Try going at 20 kilometers per hour.
Pilot assist.
Very thankful for iRoll for preparing everything and allowing us to use their showroom for this. And shall we proceed to drop them off? Shuyang will be leading you guys there.
Hey, this one got legacy Samoa one. Okay guys, so once again, thank you so much for joining us.
Time to makan.
Okay, thank you. Minum kopi eh?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.